afternoon and welcome to another video coming quick and fast. Today we're at the Heritage Museum, the Railway Museum in Crewe. I thought it'd be a nice little one to get in really for the channel and everything. Glad to say we've been joined on this one by danmiltonkeynesdons, and yeah, just thought I'd bring you a bit of a vlog for me. Only be a short one, but I'll give you all the prices and everything. But currently inside the cab of the APT, the old advanced passenger train, didn't unfortunately launch, as it were. Had a few runs, had a lot of problems and everything. So yeah, this is a good little perspective of it. So I'm going to try and get a few pictures as well for the vlog and everything, like a bit of a montage of pictures. But yeah, happy days. So I'll have a quick walk round, give you a bit of info about the place, and yeah, good stuff here in Crewe. So here we go then, just having a walk inside the cabin. So there you go, you've got the bog. Is that Peter Purves? I believe that was Peter Purves. Anybody who's into the Blue Peter, I'm sure that was Peter Purves, not him. Right, anyway, we'll so get a window seat. Oh. Yeah, quite comfortable. More comfortable than our trains. But yeah, not too dissimilar to the Mark III versions really, Mark III coaching stock. The old Buffy car area. So yeah, not too dissimilar really to an HST buffer. Obviously you've got all the shelves and everything. You've got all your beer down here, soft drinks, your spirits, food, tomato soup. Well, yeah, we sell that on East Midlands trains. Only in first class, I believe. Well, to the Rail Gourmet trolley as well. But yeah, this is how it was back in the 80s. There you go, this is your FC, your first class. For anybody who does the coaching numbers, 48603, the only first class coach left in existence. There you go, very unique. Dan's taking a seat. But yeah, really good they've got this sort of thing still going. Some pics, don't know if that's picking up. Obviously the different the training action. So you've got the power car, the engine room. So yeah, different diagrams of the carriages. So you've got the trailer second, trailer unclassed. Yeah, I won't go into that too much, but yeah, really interesting. So yeah, all your CDL. TM office, train manager office. Use the right expression. And also, if you can just probably make out, there is a few buses here as well. I'm not into buses, but I'll try and get a few of them on. You know, it's not a problem. But yeah, that is the APT, and so you've got its predecessor, the Virgin Pendolino. It looks like an 11 car one, that one. stuff. Yeah, so just taking you around the little models now. They're actually not that little, they're quite big. Yeah, stuff. That's a sort of bigger version of it. There you go, awesome sight. Yeah, a bit more seating over there. On the buses. So let's believe this is an old Chester bus. Well, there's not much room in there at all. I'll be struggling to drive this this vintage bus if an older licence. Oh, it's warm on here. Get the windows open. But yeah, actually very banged my head on the wall. But there you go. So actually a route master. So a bit like the tube line. Obviously, lesson on child bus fares. Is what? Which one? This one? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, all my EMT colleagues who are subs on the channel, that one's for you. Obviously the ex-Middle and Mainline subs, that one's for you. Right, I wonder if this works. No. But yeah, really good heritage. So you've got the power car. Well, it's not really a power car, but a driving truck of the APT there. So yeah, let's go and look at something else. Right then, well this is take 3. So number 2, you see obviously the handles here. So number 2 is to a good yank to proceed. So they will stop at that signal, or we should do. There you go. And then number 3. Starting. So the handle back, don't turn it off or anything. And station, very clever. So yeah, check it out. Really good. So yeah, so obviously there you've got your Belcos. That's different to what that is. Then you've got your different things and everything, your different levers. You've got your aspects there. So this is just like being back on my rules. We learn all this within my my job role on the railway. So like positioning lights, we don't have to learn them, but it's really good to see this sort of stuff, and it's like a refresh really within a refresh of different things. So semaphore signalling, so they're still used to this day. So in Crewe Station A signal box at the minute, as you can see, it's all a load of levers to me, but you've got all the different sort of points and everything up there. Yeah, really technical stuff. Just show you a front shot of all the locomotives. the class 47s, you've got the class 87, which used to be a regular around these necks. So like looking out towards the other signal box here. Surbiton to Oakhampton. Complex stuff. Yeah, 37108 as you can see. The graphic before the last scene there back in the signal box was of the train. Now it was parked up down there. Wanted to try and get on that, but sadly I don't think we're going to have time. But yeah, worth having a look if you're down here and everything. But yeah, I mean £8 to get in. Oh, it's £6. Sorry, £6 then to get in. Which actually I thought it said on the website 8, but it's 6 anyway. I'll have a look what it is for children on the leaflet before we go and everything, so I can give you that. You see 87035 down there. But yeah, worth an hour just to have a look round, and as I said, you've got a few buses here as well. You're into your buses, and so you've got the signal box over there and everything. So yeah, why not visit for an hour? Worth a look. Why not? But I'll wrap the vlog up by just getting your opening times and everything, so the numbers and everything, the list of events. You can see the back of the APT. So yeah, before I wrap the vlog up, coming out as usual, just had a quick look. It is £6 for adults, as Dan's rightly said. Also for kids it's £4 for children, £4 for seniors, and the family ticket is £12. Just inquire about that on the day, depending on the size of your party and everything, to the prices, the admission charge for getting in. So anyway, that is it for this week. I'm going to have a full weekend plus a bit more to upload everything that I've got in the last few days. I really hope that you enjoy the stuff from both Yarmouth and from Pleasure World Hills yesterday, Friday. Hope the POVs have come out quite nicely and everything. Next week, as I said, I've got an idea. I've got a plan, but I've got to send an email and wait for confirmation on that and everything. So yes, we will see. So yeah, I'll leave you with the London Midland 350 leaving us there. Yeah. And I'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks for watching. It's only been a short one today, like I said. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to comment, subscribe, and hopefully like. And yeah, I'll see you next week somewhere, all being well. So from Crewe, the Heritage Centre, it's goodbye for now.